So now, this class, we are discussing another topic. Look at here. So we have one more minute. Look, we know that 1 by 2 equal to what? 0.5, right? 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. What about 1 by 4? 0.25. Okay, 0.25. Listen here. So we will take after this one, we'll go to the first portion. That means Euclid division lemma, because as per DPS, this year it is in the syllabus. So we do that one. Okay, we'll take 1 week for that portions. Euclid division lemma. Okay, I think DPS started that. Correct or no? Hello, DPS started that. Where you reach now? DPS where you reach? Finished the Euclid division lemma. Same thing. What we did? Yes. What we did by factorization, we can do the Euclid division lemma. Okay. Yeah, we do that after this one. Anyway, but not sure about this year also that portion is there or not. Okay. Look at anyway. Okay, 1 by 4 equal to 0.25. Okay. Then what about 1 by 8? Okay, 1 by 4. This one we can write 1 by 2 raised to 1. This one we can write 1 by 2 square. 1 by 10 we can write what? 0.1. 1 by 2 into 5. 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 2 cube equal to 0.125, I think, right? 0.125. Okay. Then okay, 1 by 20. What do you get? 1 by 20 is 1 by 2 square into 5, right? Correct or no? 1 by 20. Right? Hello, check. 1 divided by 20. 0.05. 0.05. Next, 1 by 3, what we get? 1 by 3, 0.333, right? Okay. 1 by 7, what do you get? 1 divided by 7, we get, not get factorizing. 1 by 6, check it. 1 divided by 6. 0.16666 like that. Okay. Okay. Come on. Listen here now. 1 by 2, 0.5. Okay. 1 by 2, 0.5. That is, we can write 1 by 2 raised to 1. 1 by 2, 0.25. We can write 1 by 2 square. 1 by 10, 0.1. 2 into 5. 1 by 8, 2 cube, 0.125. 1 by 20, 1 by 2 square into 5, 0.5. 1 by 3, 0.333. 1 by 6, 0.1666. Okay. This is what terminating. Hello. Don't write anything. 0.005. Okay. 0, yeah, yeah. Okay. Look at here. This is terminating. This is also terminating. Terminating, right? Hello, this is also terminating. This one non-terminating, repeating. You learned last year the decimal expansion. You learned what? The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Correct or not? Hello, you studied that. Okay, look at here. We studied last year the representation of a rational number. When we convert to decimal form, either terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Clear or not? So now we see here 1 by 2, 0.5 terminating. The denominator is 2 raised to 1. 1 by 4, 1 by 2 square. 1 by 10, 2 into 5. 8, 2 cube. 1 by 20, 0.5. Okay, 1 by 3, not terminating. 1 by 6, not terminating. What do you observe this one? What do you observe this one? You have any observation? Okay. Wait. Okay, look at here. We observe that if the denominator, look at here, the denominator, the prime factorization of the denominator, if there is 2 and 5, if there is 2 and 5 only, it is terminating. Understood? If the denominator only, look at here, that means here 1 by 2, it is already there. What? 1 by 2 into 5 raised to 0. 2 and 5 is there. 5 raised to 0 is what? 5 raised to 0 is what? 1. That means, in a sense, if the denominator only 2 and 5, then only it is terminate. Okay? The denominator only 2 and 5, then only it is terminate. For example, 1 by 3 into 5, not terminate. 7 by 2, it is terminate. 7 by 2 into 5, that is terminate. 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 5, that is not terminating. Understood or not? Hello? That means you prime factorize it. The prime factorize it, the denominator only 2 and 5. Okay, that's all. Then only it is terminated. Understood now? So now you can check whether it is terminate or not without without you can check whether it is terminate or not without calculations. The question is saying like that only, without actual calculation, check whether it is terminate or not. Okay, so we cannot do calculations. Okay, newcomers, understood or not? Emma, hello. Did you check all the notes, right? Because you have test today. Okay, it's not a compulsory for you, but try to write the test. Okay, crawl newcomer today. Kural, another guy. What is the name? Mahdi. Hello, Mahdi. Oh, he does not. What is the name? Okay. Anyway, look at here. So, no, test is not include today's portions. How can I include? Okay, I don't want to test like that. Okay, test is not included today's portion because our class will end at 8:15. That's how you can write the study and I don't want to write like that. Okay. Okay, test not there for a test. Okay, look at here. Now, listen here. Once again, I'll tell you. So the question is usually comes, check whether the following without actual calculation, whether whether it is terminate or non terminate. Okay, what you have to do? You have to prime factorize it. Prime factorize it if the denominator is only 2 and 5. If the denominator is only 2 and 5, then only it is terminated. Clear or not? I just ask you a question. Look at here. 3 divided by okay. 3 divided by why you are coming late? That's why. Okay, look at here. Look. First of all, look. Suppose my question 3 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 3. My question, whether this terminate or not. Adil, answer it. This is terminate or not. Adil, this terminate or not. Yes or no? Yes, terminate or not. What is your answer? Terminate? It is terminate. Why? Because denominator only 2 raised to 5 into 5. Okay. What about now? My question. Now this terminate or not? Now this terminate or not? My question. Hello. No. No. Sure. Sure. Akshara. Is this Advait terminate? Other. Akshaya terminating. Okay. Ashrak not terminating. Okay. What about others? Dhruv is terminate or non-terminate? I told you, listen, I told you one condition, the denominator should have only 2 and 5. Okay. What about Emma? Your comment is terminate or not? Emma, is terminate or not? Look at here. Hey, listen. Look, check the question. You can cancel this one. Come on. You can cancel this. If possible, you cancel it. Understood now? If possible, you cancel this one. So 3 cancel. So what means now? 1 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 5 cube. That means this terminate. It's terminate. Okay. Okay, it is terminate. Okay. Then, so now another question. 1 divided by 2 raised to 10 into 3 into 7. 1 minute. Hello. Okay. Look at here. This is non-terminating. Why 7 is there? Clear or not? So that understood now? That means, okay, another question. 1 by 80 or 3 by 80. Okay, 3 by 80, not 1 by all. Okay, 3 by 80. How to check it? Listen here. How to check 3 by 80 means you take 80 to 40 to 20 to 10 to 5. Okay, so that means 3 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to 4 into 5. So that means denominator only 2 raised to something and 5 raised to something. That means it is terminating. Clear or not? Come on, clear or not? Okay, that means should have 2 and 5. Another question. 6 by 15. 6 divided by 15. 6 divided by 15. Check whether this terminate or not. 6 divided by 15. 6 divided by 15. It is not terminating. Why, Adil? Why Adil non-terminating? Why? Shoaib, check fast, man. Don't just answer it. 6 divided by 15. You can cancel, no. You can cancel this what? 3, 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5, right? 2 divided by 5. That it is terminating. Right? Clear now? Because no, Shoaib, you can cancel. First, you have to check before factorization. You cancel it. Okay, you cancel it first of all. Okay, if possibilities, you simplify, then factorize it. Understood or not? Simplify, then factorize it. For example, look, 35 divided by 50. Okay, listen out, don't write anything. I'll give the note. 35 divided by 50. We can check with, you can cancel by 5. 7 divided by 10. 7 divided by 10. Now what? 7 divided by 2 into 5. That means it is terminate. Samjha? It's clear now. Okay. Another question. Look at here. 77 divided by 210. 77 divided by 210. You can cut with the 7. You can cut by 7. 11 divided by 30. 11 divided by 30. 30, simplify. 2, 15, 3, 5. 11 divided by 2 into 3 into 5. What about your comment? Terminate or not terminate? Non-terminate, but repeating. Okay, because of 3 there is. Okay, only 2 also, only 2 only. Look at here. 1 by 2 cube. It is terminate because 2 cube into 5 raised to 0. 1 by 5 also. 1 by 5. It is terminate because 5 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 0 like that. It's clear or not? 2 into 3. How come terminate, Mudula? 2 into 3 is there? No. Mudula, 3, listen, only 2 and 5. Understood or not? Only 2 and 5. Look, I'll show more examples. Look. Hey, look. 7 divided by 2 into 5. Terminate. 7 divided by 2 into 5 into 3. Non-terminate. 7 divided by 2 into 5 into 11. Non-terminate. 7 divided by 2 into 5 into 13. Non-terminate. Okay. Only 2 and should have only 2 and 5. Mudula, clear now? Hello, clear or not? That means you prime factorize it and the denominator should have only 2 and 5. Okay. Okay, now any other doubt? Okay, now write the note. Hello, write the note. Then after that, you have to do yourself the questions. Right. Let x equal to p by q. Let x equal to p by q. Let x equal to p by q be a rational number. Let x equal to p by q be a rational number such that let x equal to p by q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q, the prime factorization of q, the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Where n and m are non-negative integers. where n and m are non-negative integers, then x has a decimal expansion. Then x has a decimal expansion which terminates. Then x has a decimal expansion which terminate. Then x has a decimal expansion. Sanjay, you're not listening here? Then x has a decimal expansion. Then x has a decimal expansion. Okay. Okay, I repeat again. Look at here, x equal to p by q. Let x equal to p by q. Right, let x equal to p by q be a rational number. Let x equal to p by q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q, the prime factorization of q, the prime factorization of q, the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 raised to m into 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n, 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, where n comma m are non-negative integers, non-negative integers. Then x has a decimal expansion. Then x has a decimal expansion which terminate. X has a decimal expansion which terminate. Okay. Okay, listen here. Hello, agree or not this one? Is it okay? Look, the beginning of the class, I told you, first exercise, I'll do it because I thought this year also we'll go to as per the current syllabus. Okay. As per the current syllabus, first exercise not there. CBSE not yet decided the new syllabus. But if school doing the first exercise, will do it. Clear now? So we'll continue that because today I cannot do that portion because we are the continuation of the last class. Yes, I do that. I told you know. Why can't you listen what I'm telling, Dhruv? I told you in the beginning. I told you I follow that because now I don't have any. I'm not in. I'm not a part of the school. Okay, I follow the syllabus. Okay, but now I understood this year. No deletion. Okay, no deletion is inverted comma. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. But if they school follow the all the syllabus, will follow that. No problem. Okay, it's not a big issue. 3 classes enough to finish, but it is tough section. Lot of questions. Star question is there in that. Around 15 star question is there. Okay, that's only. Okay. Come on now. Okay, no problem now. Okay, now look at here now. So this part understood or not? Write the example. Write examples. Okay. 3 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 5 cube. Terminate. You write terminate. Okay. And 7 divided by 2 raised to 10 into 5 raised to 5. Right, terminate. Okay. It's clear now. Everybody okay? Zahil. Divya, is it okay? Hello, Divya. Is it okay or not? This is exam point is very important question. Okay. Okay. Now write the next case. Let x equal to p by q. Let x equal to p by q. Let x equal to p by q. Let x equal to p by q be a rational number. Be a rational number such that let x equal to p by q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q, the prime factorization of q is not of the form. The prime factorization of q is not of the form. The prime factorization of q is not of the form 2 raised to n into 5 raised to n. 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m, where n and m are non-negative integers, where n and m are non-negative integers, then x has a decimal expansion. Then x has a decimal expansion. Then x has a decimal expansion which is non-terminating, repeat, which is non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, repeating. Okay. Is it okay? That means, like previous note, if not, example, 1 divided by 2 raised to 3 into 7, non-terminating. 1 divided by 5 square into 3 into 11, non-terminating. Non-terminating. Clear or not? Is it okay? Is it okay or not? So, are you ready for the to work out the questions? That means, hey, hello. Step number 1. Hey, come on. Step number 1. You check the possibility whether you can simplify or not. Okay. For example, you got a question. 5 divided by 250. 5 divided by 250. Okay. Don't straight away factorize it. You got to cancel it. 1 divided by how much? 50. Okay. Then 50 prime factors 2, 25, 5, 5. 1 divided by 2 into 5 square. Okay. So that means we observe it, the denominator only 2 and 5. Then we can say this is terminated. If any number other than 2 and 5, it is non-terminate. But before prime factorizing, you check it, whether you can simplify or not. Is it okay now? We can start the question. Are you ready? Hello, are you ready or not? Okay, everyone. Okay. So, what is this one, Rahul? Okay, so write the question. Write the question. Okay, without actually performing the long division, without actually performing the long division, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational number will have a terminating decimal expansion, or non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay, once again, without actually performing the long division, you cannot do the long division. Okay, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or non-repeating decimal expansion. Okay. Question number one. 13 divided by 3125. 13 divided by 3125. Okay, first question I'll show you. Look at here. 13 divided by 3125. Okay. Don't start. I'll explain this one. Check whether you can simplify or not. I don't think you can simplify. Then 3125 divided by 5. How much? 625. Is it 625? 3125 divided by 5. Hello. Is it 625? 625. Okay. 625. 5. 125. 5. 25. 5. 5. Okay. So 3125 equal to 5 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 2 raised to 0. Just write 2 raised to 0. 625. Correct? Okay. Oh, I finished already. Advait, Divya. Okay. So that means 3125 is of the form 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. Okay. Hence, 13 divided by 3125 is a terminating decimal expansion. Okay. Right now. Now you write. Write first. 13 divided by 3125. Okay. Show this one. Okay, then write 3125 equal to 5 raised to 5 into 2, 5 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 0. I'm just writing 2 raised to 0, okay? Because there is no harm. 2 raised to 0 means 1 only. Which is of the form 5 raised to m into 2 raised to n. 5 raised to m into 2 raised to n. Therefore, 13 divided by 3125 will have a terminating decimal expansion. Is it okay, clear or not? Adil. Statement 3125 equal to 5 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 0, which is of the form 5 raised to m into 2 raised to n. Therefore, 13 divided by 3125 is a terminating decimal expansion. It's clear now. Okay. Okay or not? Adil, is it okay? Hello, anyone have doubt? Hello. Okay, then try next question. 17 by 8. Okay, question is 17 by 8. 17 by 8. Okay. Hey, you are right. Everything you are right it. 17 by 8 what? 17 by 2 cube. Like that, full reason you are right. Okay. Terminating expansion. Okay. Okay. So next question. 64 divided by 455. 64 divided by 455. 64 divided by 455. 64 divided by 455. Okay. 64 divided by 455. Emma, are you getting or not? Neil. Mahadi. Non-terminating, are you sure? 64 divided by 455. Look. 64, 455. Okay. You can cancel 5 here. How much? 455 divided by 5, how much? 455 divided by 5, 91. 91, 7, 13, right? Correct or no? 13 and 7, right? Okay, so that means there is no 2. It's not of the form 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. So it is non-terminating, but repeating. Okay, next one, 15 divided by 1600. 15 divided by 1600. 15 divided by 1600. Fifteen divided by 1600. Okay, do first. It is terminating. 15 divided by 1600 is terminating or it is terminating. Okay. It's clear or not? Are you getting or not? Tejas is getting. Shayan. Ziba. Getting or not? Sahil. Kasia. Finish? Okay, so next one, 29 divided by 343. 29 divided by 343. 29 divided by 343. 29 divided by, okay. Who all finished? Right. 29 divided by 343. Non-terminating. Okay. What is the question? (29) divided by 343, non-terminating. Correct or no? 343 is 7 cube only. 7 cube. 7 cube. Okay. So next one, 6 by 15. 6 divided by 15. 6 divided by 15. Okay. 6 by 15. Question, 6 divided by 15. 6 divided by 15. 6 divided by 15. Ahmed. Hello, Ahmed. You're not listening in the class? Ahmed, in the beginning, I showed this example. 6 by 15. Majnun. 6 divided by 15. Okay? 6. 3 into 5. Why can't you cancel this one? Ahmed. Use the common sense, man. Ahmed, you heard or not? 15. Before your prime factorization, you should check whether you can possibility of cancel or not. Then only, okay. After that only check it. Not simply right. So this is what? Terminating. This is terminating. Okay. Next one. 35 divided by 50. 35 divided by 50. 35 divided by 50. Okay, finish. Last one. 77 divided by 77 divided by 210. 77 divided by 210. 77 divided by 210. Okay, try fast. Okay. Non-terminating, repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. I hope now understood all how to check it. Okay or not? Okay. Anyone have doubt? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. Complete all. Okay, finish. Other. Okay, so now look at here. I hope understood how to check it. Is it yes or no? Anyone have doubt? Tell me now because continuation next one. Anyone have doubt? Alina, Andrew, Arhan, Devi, Harsha, Kisia, Neil, Emma. Okay. Emma, you have first time for the tuitions? Last year you had tuitions. What about Anugrah? Finish or not? Oh, really? Okay. Okay, Anugrah, you got it? Hello. Anugrah, understood or not? Okay. So now look at here. Now the continuation of this question. Look at here. We got one question. The previous question, what? Check whether terminate or not. Now question is, if it is terminate, find the decimal number. If it is terminate, find the number. For example, look, 15 divided by 6. 15 divided by 6 divided by 15. Okay, 6 divided by 15. Look, hey, stop, all work. The question is, without actual calculation, find the decimal expansions if it is terminate. Okay, first of all, you check whether terminate or not. Okay, listen, step number 1. Look, step number 1, check whether terminate or not. For example, 6 divided by 15, we can cancel 2 by 5. Okay, 2 by, we cancel 3, 2 by 5. Okay, now after that, listen here. How to find out? Don't divide it. We cannot divide also. Look here. You make the denominator the multiples of 10. Denominator multiples of 10. That means here 1 5 is there. Hello, listen. Don't write anything. Just listen. Here 1 5 is there. To get that multiples of 10, you need one more 2 there is. 1 2 is there. Correct or not? Agree or not? You need 1 2 there is. So I multiplied 1 2 here. But that is illegal. Why? Multiplying only the numerator or denominator illegal. So multiply the numerator and denominator. So here I multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. That means 4 divided by 10. So now simple. 4 divided by 10 is what? 0.4. Finish. Right? Okay, another question. Don't write. Another question for you. Look. For example, 3 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. Oh, okay. Wait. Before that, I have to tell you another thing. Wait. I missed one part. Okay, this question. 3 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. Okay, this 3 part there is this question. One is part number 1, check whether terminate or not. Part 2, how many decimals will, when it is terminate. Look, take the degrees. 2 raised to 3, 5 square. That means this will terminate after 3 places. This will terminate after 3 places. How? Higher power, 2 cube into 5 square. Okay, power is, degree is 3. Okay, if it is 4, when this terminate? After 4 places. Anugrah, understood or not? Arhant, Devi, anyone had doubt? Tell me now. Now this will terminate after 4 places. Okay, if it is here 10, that means this will terminate after 10 places. Are you okay? This will terminate after 10 places. You check the higher power. 1 divided by 2 raised to 20 into 5 raised to 100. That means this will terminate after 100th place. This will terminate after 100th place. Okay. Okay. Now that means question number, Adil, is it okay or not? Adil, okay or not? Okay. Now look, 1 divided by 3 into 2 raised to 10 into 5 raised to 3. When this terminate? Ansel, when this terminate? Madhusudanan, it is never terminate. 3 is there? No. Hello, Madhusudanan. Madhusudan, right? This never terminate. Why? 3 there is no. Hello. You didn't see that because you didn't see the 3, right? It is never terminated, not terminating. Okay. Okay, now when this terminate? After 10 places. Okay. Another question. 7 here into 7. When this terminate? After, hey. again, Madhusudan, check man, Rahul, Adav, check, Anugrah, check, 7 cancel, no, come on. Okay. Anugrah, okay. You can, okay, we can cancel now. So don't just answer it, check it first. Okay. Emma, okay or not? Okay, so now, okay, here 3 divided by 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 7. When this terminate? When this terminate? When this after 7 places. Okay. Now, when this terminate? 11. When this terminate? When this terminate? It is non-terminating. This is non-terminating. Okay. Into 11. Into 11. When this terminate? 10 after 7 places. After 7 places. I hope now clear now, right? Okay. So that means step 1 and 2 understood. Okay. Listen. Step number 1 was check whether terminate or not. Step number 2, when this terminate. Step number 3, only I said, if it is terminate, when this terminate. Understood? 3 parts there is. Look at here. Part 1, check whether terminate or not. But before starting the question, there is a condition without actual calculations. Otherwise, you can take like 6 divided by 15. You just divide and check. Any police can find out that. Not like that. Okay. You have to check question saying without actual calculation, you have to find out. So the first question was check whether terminate or not. Second step is when this terminate. Third one is find the decimal expansion if it is terminate. If not terminate, we cannot find out. Understood now? Like write about the cricket match. If it is rain, no cricket match. Like that. Okay. If it is not terminate, we just write not terminate. That's finished. Okay. How to check that? Look at here now. So listen, don't write anything. 3 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 2. Okay. Look at here. We understood this will terminate after 5 places. This will terminate after 5 places. So look, for that we need, hello, careful. We need the denominator, the multiples of 10. We need the denominator, the multiples of 10. So here 2 raised to 5 is there, 5 square is there. How many 2 is required extra? How many 5s are required? How many 5s are 5 cube? Because here 5, here 2 only. So that's why I multiplied 5 cube, here also 5 cube. Agree or not? Is it okay? I multiplied the numerator and denominator with the 5 cube. That means 3 into 5 cube is 125 divided by 10 cube. 10 raised to 5. Why? 2 into 5, 10 raised to 5. Is it okay or not? So 3 into 125, how much? 375. 375 divided by 10, 5 zeros. Correct? Okay, that means how to adjust it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.00375. This is the way. Okay. Okay, I'll explain. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, look at here. Listen out. Hello, listen. Our question is, this is the question. Okay. The question is, okay, listen out. Check question without actual calculation. Hello, listen out. Without actual calculation, check whether terminate or not. If it is terminate, find the decimal expansion. Okay. We understood that the denominator only 2 and 5. That means this will this will terminate. This will terminate. Okay. So now, look, to find that, the denominator, we need multiples of 10. Okay. Here, 2 raised to 5 is there. Look, 2 raised to 5 into 5 square. So we need this number, the higher power is 5. The number should be same. Here 2 raised to 5, here to 5 square only. We need 3 more 5. We need 3 more 5. That means you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the 5 cube. Here also 5 cube. Are you okay or not? This step okay or not? Neil. Other. Could all ask the doubt? Because here 5 square only. So that's why we multiply the numerator and denominator with the 5 cube. Anugrah, is it okay? Multiply the numerator and denominator with the 5 cube. Is it okay or not? Anugrah, Adil, if not getting, tell me when. Hello, Anugrah. Okay. Anugrah, where are you, man? Okay, then look. So that means 3 into 125 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5 raised to 5. That means 375 divided by 2 into 5, 10. 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5 means 375 divided by how many zeros? 5 zeros. Then adjustment. 1, 2, 3. Adjust this. Okay. One more question I'll show you. Okay. One more question. Look at here. Seven divided by 2 raised to 3 into 5 square. 2 cube into 5 square. Okay, my question, Emma, how many 5 is required? How many 5 is required? Hello. Don't write, I'll give the note. Don't write anything. Just listen to the class only. Don't write. Question, screen not clear. Why not clear? Screen not clear. Hey, come on. 7 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. Now clear or not? Now clear or not? Okay. Okay. How? What you have to multiply? What we have to multiply? With we need one more 5. Yes, we need one more 5. Right or no? So into 5. Into 5. Okay, that means 35 divided by 2 cube, 5 cube, 10 cube. So that means 35 divided by 1000. So that means 0.0035. 0.035. It's focusing on the board only. Okay, it's clear now. That may be some issues, net issues maybe. Okay. Clear now. Okay. So Kesia, look. Kesia, look. I don't know what the question said. 7 divided by 2 into 2 cube into 5. 2 cube into 5 square. 2 cube into 5 square. Okay, first of all, you have to make it equal. 2 raised to 3 here, 5 square only. We need one more 5. Okay, we need one more 5. So then into 5, here also into 5. So that means 35 divided by 2 cube into 5 cube. That is 35 divided by 10 cube. That is 35 divided by 10 cube is 1000. So 0.035. See, okay? Okay. Now, another question. Don't write. I'll give the question to practice. Don't write. Just explaining only now. Okay. When you are okay, you can start writing. Okay. 7 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 5. Okay. 2 raised to 5 into 5. Okay. Other. How many 5s required? Here, how many 5s required? No. 1 5 only there? No. No. Listen. 2 raised to 5 into 5. 1 5 only there. 1 5 only there. So we need 4 more 5s. Correct or no? We need 4 more 5s. Okay, that means 7 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 5 into 5 raised to 4. Because 1 5 already there. Okay. So this is 7 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 10 raised to 4. Okay. 5 raised to 4 how much? I think 625, right? 625 divided into 7 divided by 10,000. Then adjust the sign. I hope clear now. Is it okay? We can start the question. If you are all okay, then we can start the question. Otherwise, I'll explain more examples. Is it okay or not? You want more example? Then otherwise, you work out yourself. Some questions. Ashrak, okay? Devi, is it okay? Dinesh, Emma, Harsha, Minna. Anyone want more example? Tell me, I'll do it. No problem. Neil. 10 raised to 10 raised to 5. Yes, 10 raised to, you're right. Ahmed, who said, 10 raised to 5 only. Yes, 10 raised to 5. Okay. Okay, I'll give one more example. Okay. I'll give one more example. Okay. Look. 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. 2 cube into 5 square. 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. Okay. Devi. 2's 3 there is. 5 only 2. So how many 5s required? How many 5s required? One more 5. So that means 23 into 5 divided by 2 cube into 5 cube. 1 5 we added. Okay, 23 into 5 how much? 23 into 5 how much? 115. 115 divided by 10 cube. That is 115 divided by 1000. Answer 1.15. 0.115. Okay. How? 115, no? 0.115. Okay. Okay, now we try some questions. Okay. Yes, that's a question, no? Our question is what? Write the decimal expansion. You are sleeping, Pratyana. Our question is finally you have to write that. This is the one. Okay, write the question now. Write the question. Write the decimal expansion. Write down. Write the decimal question. Write the decimal expansion. Write the decimal expansion of the rational numbers if it is terminate. Okay. Write the decimal expansions if it is terminate. If not, you can write. Okay, you just write not terminating. Question number 1. 13 divided by 3125. 13 divided by 3125. 13 divided by 3125. Okay, right. Everything got right. 13 divided by 3125. Okay. Repeat question. Listen. Write down the decimal expansion. Write down the decimal expansion. Write down the decimal expansion if it is terminate. Okay. Question number 1. 13 divided by 3125. 13 divided by 3125. Okay. No, Advait, wrong. Advait, wrong. Rahul, is correct. Rahul, Madhusudan, wrong. Madhusudan, wrong. Everyone type the answer, then I can check now. Advait, wrong. Zaba, correct. Namida, correct. Akshaya, correct. Kasia, wrong. Neil, wrong. Hey, come on, Neil. It's terminating. Mansvi, wrong. Shayan, wrong. Work out it. This is wrong. Check it again. Mansvi, check. Yes, Shoaib, correct. Those who finish, type your answer. No, still wrong. Madhusudan, still wrong. Wait. Let come. It's wrong. Put that type. Here. It is wrong. Anyone? Look. Hello. Look at here now. Okay. Look. Okay. Listen out. Those who made mistakes, listen here. 13 divided by 3125. We did this question before. 13 divided by what? 2 raised to 5, right? Sorry, 5 raised to 5. Correct or not? Quick way. Correct. 5 raised to 5. Correct? 5 raised to 5. Then 13 into 2 raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5. Okay. 13 into 2 raised to 5 is what? 32. Correct? 2 raised to 5 is 32. Correct or not? Hello. 2 raised to 5 is 32. Okay or not? Okay. 32. 32 divided by 10 raised to 5. Okay. 13 into 32, how much? 13 into 32, 416. 416 divided by 0. That means 0.00416. 0.00416. Okay. Okay. Afia, understood? Hello. For all made mistake, understood or not? Neil. Afia. Okay. 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 Now, is it okay now? Clear or not? Next question. 17 by 8. Next one. Hello. Next one. You try yourself because this is very important question. Okay. 17 by 8. 17 by 8. Try now. Question. 17 by 8. 17 by 8. Okay. 17 by Namida. Okay, correct. Wait. Let's finish all. I'll wait. Okay, finish. 2.215. 2.125. 2.125. You try. If not getting, I'll show this one. Okay, look. Listen here. What are the questions? 17 by 8. Look. 17 by 8. So 17 divided by 2 cube. So we need 5 cube is rule. 17 into, correct or no? 17 into 5 cube divided by 2 cube into 5 cube, correct? So that means 17 into 125 divided by 10 cube. Okay, 17 into 125 is what? 2125. 2125 divided by 1000. So answer is what? 2.125. Who all got? 2.125. Who all got? Is it okay? Adil, finish. Neil. Emma, finish. Tejas, Zaba. Okay, so next one, right? 15 divided by 1600. 15 divided by 1600. First, check whether simplify or not. First, you make simplify. Okay. Okay, what's the answer? Point 0.009375. Okay, okay. Let's finish off. Hey, Emma, getting or not? Okay. So okay. So point 0.009375. Okay. Are you getting? Anyone doubt this one? Are you getting or not? Anyone have doubt? Okay. Answer is 0.009375. 0.009375. Point 009375. Just at 9 o'clock, man. It is there in the group at 9. Okay. You didn't read the message in the group? Okay. Anyone doubt this one? If it is finished, 0.009375. Anyone have doubt? Divyansh. Okay, then try next question. One more question try today. Okay. One more only. Okay. So then we'll finish this part. 35 by 50. 35 by 50. 35 by 50. 35 divided by 50. Okay, 0.7. Okay, let's finish on 35 divided by 50. Hey, why not terminating, Dinesh? Dinesh, check man. 35 divided by 50, 50. Okay, okay, we have time. One more question. One more question. Okay. One 129 divided by, one more last question. 129 divided by 2 square into 5 cube. 129 divided by 2 square into 5 cube. 129 divided by 2 square into 5 cube. Okay. Okay, 0.258, 0.258. I hope everybody okay now this one, right? If you have doubt, you can check the video. Okay, I'll upload today itself. Okay, prepare it for the test. You have time. Okay, test only 2 questions only. Okay, work out within the time. Neatly write. Okay, proper margin and all. Okay, this enough today.